we're going to find the area, simplify your answer. So these are rectangles. So the area of a rectangle is base times height. So x times 3x minus 5. Then you would distribute. X times 3x is 3x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. These are not like terms, so that would be the area. So basically we're saying that x can be anything, and if you already have this answer, all you have to do is plug it in there and not into the sides, and then multiply, and you will get the answer no matter what. And then we have x plus 2 times x plus 5. We're going to FOIL, first, outside, inside, last. Should have learned how to do this in Algebra 1. So x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to add our like terms. X squared plus 7x plus 10. Same, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 6. We're multiplying everything in the first parentheses to everything in the second parentheses. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 6 is negative 18x. Negative 6x plus 12. You're going to put your like terms together. There you go.